We're about to put off the grand finale.
It's about to happen.
How do you?
Wait, yeah, let me get in the light.
No.
All right, so here's what's happening. We already had one old guy come, and he was like, "Oh, we called the sheriff on you," and we were like, "So? Call the sheriff. We know the sheriff."
That's right.
I know Barry Bass. He goes to our church. What? And so now we're about to light off the grand finale. So I think we're ready.
This is doing illegal things with 4 pastors.
That's right.
3 pastors.
3 pastors.
3 pastors.
And serve people who serve.
And some church staff and worship team people. All right, last one, Charlie. Go.
Jordy, want to come out?
No, she's out here. All right, Joy, you ready to watch?
Joy, this is a good one. Come on.
Sorry,
you touched it. You idiot. Sorry.
Look up. Look up.
It's raining ash.
No.
You can hear it.
Look.
Shield your eyes.
Okay? Watch his eyes. He just rubbed his eyes.
And here comes the last. Come on.
Charlie.
Yeah, we got it. Dang it.
Woo. Is there any more mortars?
That's how we do it.
That is.
That's how we do it.
God bless
Tell 'em
America.
that's how we do it.
I almost vomited in my mouth.
Celebrate!